Hello dear students, in this video we are learn something about the IIT's insights. There are some few things which we need to understand. There are IITs in India and there are various states have a one IIT each. The only state in which two IITs are located are UP. Other than UP, all other states has only one. Why we are discussing about the IIT? It is an autonomous engineering and management institute. Yes, it is engineering as well as management institute which are among the top institute of India, and admission of this institute is one of the most difficult tasks for every student. Then getting admitted to the IITs is a every student's dream. हर कोई बच्चा चाहता है कि मुझे आईआईटी में एडमिशन मिले, बट ऐसा क्यों? In India, there are around 13 lakh students per year appear for a JEE main examination, and among these 13 lakhs, only 2 lakhs of students are qualified for JEE Advance. Out of that 2 lakh students, only 5% of them get the admission into IIT. So, that is the need. One need to do a deal of very hard work that rewarded take your name into IIT. There are total 23 IITs in the country which offers somewhere around 11,289 seats for the BTech course. And the most reason behind such high ratio is the fact that IIT offer a very good placement ratio, approximate 70% or higher. That is the reason that why every individual are dreaming for the IIT. But in this video, we are also discussing some of the fact which is a part of IIT. ऐसी कौन कौन सी चीज है? Why IIT is the best? First, luxury of lab equipments. Here students get whatever the number of lab equipments, whatever the machineries, electric instruments, whatever they want, they have it in your hand. तो उसकी वजह से क्या हो जाता है, बच्चे अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट कर पाते हैं, दे कैन लर्न इट प्रैक्टिकली एंड दे कैन कन्वर्ट देयर आइडियाज इनटू रियलिटीज. That is the advantage, biggest advantage. Here your knowledge gain an extra edge. The best professor in the world are the part of the IITs. So due to that, whenever professor are the very talented, knowledgeable and extraordinary, then it's obvious that student can learn maximum from the that. That is the again one of the most important thing which IIT offered to its students. Extracurricular activities like hobbies club, movies club, society automotive engineering club, pipe making club, sporting activities club, astronomical club, these all activities help to students to bring out best from them. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि हर एक बच्चा जो सिर्फ पढ़ाई में इंटेलिजेंट है उसी पे, बट आईआईटीज में जाने के बाद कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि दे बिकम ए एक्टर्स लाइक सुशांत सिंह, they become a cricketers, they become an politician और बहुत सारी जगह पे वो लोग जाते हैं because these extracurricular activities help them to identify their hidden talent also. Again, whenever you are as a student, there are something which required to keep you fresh and alert. So for that, IITs have a very big grand library which has a maximum number of books, very neat, clean, AC and relaxed classroom, hostel, playgrounds, gymnasium, indoor outdoor activity centers, कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज सेंटर, ऑडिटोरियम, इस सब चीज़ों की वजह से IITians कैन परफॉर्म extraordinary as compared to others. One of the best thing about the IIT is foreign exchange program. Yes, here there exchanges the students and faculties. Even not only the student and faculties are exchanged, but also they can making many number of national and international conferences with the leader of the science, engineering, and big business hubs. Entrepreneurs are regularly visits and share their experience with the IITians. That is also the one of the reason that IITians get the best knowledge across the country. Cultural and tech festival at the IITians help to them keep them activated throughout the time, and that is the one of the best cultural and tech fest by the any of the institute across the country. Again, these all things keep the IITians in a limelight also. उसके वजह से बच्चे हमेशा अपने आप को एक कॉन्फिडेंस में हाई इन कॉन्फिडेंस फील करते हैं. They can feel that we can perform in any of these aspects better than others, and that is the reason that life in IIT is always a colorful one. Placement. आईआईटी जब की बात आती है तो आईआईटी में बात आती है तो प्लेसमेंट कितना पैकेज मिला बच्चे को वो सबसे बड़ा होता है. यहाँ 3 अलग अलग प्रोग्राम्स रहते हैं. प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर, पीपीओ कहते हैं जिसको. यहाँ पे बच्चे को थर्ड ईयर से ही इंटर्नशिप के दौरान चांस मिलता है कि कंपनी के साथ काम करने का. इफ कंपनी फाइंड दैट कि दिस स्टूडेंट हैज अ वेरी गुड टैलेंट देन दे विल ऑफर अ जॉब, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर. कैंपस इंटरव्यू, कैंपर प्लेसमेंट ऑफर्स एंड ओवरऑल अदर ऑर्डर्स. सो उसके वजह से बच्चों के जो टैलेंटेड है उनको बहुत अच्छे से प्लेसमेंट मिलता है. दे गॉट वेरी हाई जॉब्स. 1.5 करोड़ तक के भी जॉब यहाँ से आए हैं. That is due to the fact that their campus cells work very well. The team which is responsible for that is extraordinary, and multinational companies across the world are normally participated in the IIT campus interview. And that is also one of the reason that any student across the country dreaming about the IIT. Startup. जब भी आईआईटी की बात आती है तो स्टार्टअप की बात आती है कि भाई ओला किसने आईआईटीएन है, फेसबुक आईआईटी सॉरी फ्लिपकार्ट आईआईटीएन है, पेटीएम आईआईटीएन है. तो बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप हमारे कंट्रीज के ऐसे हैं विच इज बाय द आईआईटीएंस. बट वो स्टार्टअप के लिए जो फंडिंग चाहिए था, जो बैकबोन था, दैट इज द इंक्यूबेशन सेल. Yes, incubation cell is the part of the IITs. This incubation cell provides a stipend, work project, lab facilities, and other things. Clear, and this incubation cell are funded by the government of India, by the alumni, by faculty, students, and other external entrepreneurs to make this startup more successful. And this gives wings to the new ideologies to the India. तो आज हम जो कुछ भी है, जो स्टार्टअप हमारे इंडिया के अंदर सबसे बेस्ट हो रहे हैं, उस स्टार्टअप के लिए जो फंडिंग चाहिए था, जो इंक्यूबेशन सेल है, दे आर आल्सो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द आईआईटी विच आई लाइक पर्सनली लाइक द मोस्ट अबाउट द आईआईटी. यस, प्लेसमेंट ऑफर करना आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन वो अलग चीज़ है, बट अगर किसी बंदे में टैलेंट है तो उसके टैलेंट को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए जो हेल्प चाहिए था, वो हेल्प के लिए इंक्यूबेशन सेल बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है. होपफुली ऑल द यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑफ इंडिया make such kind of incubation cell for their students, so the students who studies in the various universities get the benefits of incubation cells like IITians get. Student incubation cell working on the idea of the students, giving the suggestion, provide the funding, making a teams workplace, सब कुछ provide करता है. इसलिए student incubation cell is the one of the most important. Go to the website, you can find that the Shopclue, Snapdeal, Flipkart, InfoEdge, Ola, Quikr, Swiggy, InMobi, all these are the startup of the IIT graduates. Yes, all these. If you go in detail, then you can find that CEO of the Google, Sundar Pichai, is also the IITians. NR Narayan Murthy is also IITian. MTech from the IIT Kanpur. The Indian actors, that is Amol Parasar, he is a TVF guy who is very famous. He is from BTech from IIT Delhi. Arunab Kumar, who is a the assistant director of Om Santi Om movie, is also the CEO of the Viral Fever IIT. Bhagat, the IITian. Rahul Ram, the Sachin Bansal, co-founder of the Flipkart, is also IITians. The founder of the Unitech, Ramesh Chandraji, he is also the Bedi. He is also completed her PhD from the IIT Delhi, Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry. And Raghuram Rajan. We all know that the 23rd governor of RBI. He is also the part of BTech, IIT Delhi. Now you can imagine that what IIT give to the country. This is the reason that many of the students have a dream to become a part of IIT, and that's what IIT is. Then what are the various ways to secure admission in IIT? Most common way is for a BTech program complete your 11 and 12 science. 12 science board examination में if you are belong to open or general category 75% चाहिए है. For others 65% in a board examination. You have to qualify, just need to qualify the JEE main examinations, and your admission in the IIT is based on the cutoff of marks of merit of JEE advanced score. So that is the first step towards the IIT is JEE Advanced. Maximum number of students across the country preparing for JEE Advanced. Even with our institute also career education, many number of students are preparing for this IIT JEE, that is JEE Advanced examination, clear it and secure the admission in the IITs also. If you do not get the admission via IIT, via JEE, there are also other branches are there. There is other examinations by which you can secure the admission in IIT. But other than PTech program, there are JAM 2021 JAM examination, GATE examination for the postgraduate degree, UC examination for the engineering designing, SEED examination, HSEE Humanities and Social Science Entrance Exam, CAT Common Admission Test for the MBA degree, and other short-term courses are also offered by the IITs. You can become a part of IIT by this way also. So, what are the various degree programs that offered by the IITs other than BTech and MTech? That is Bachelor of Science, Master of Science, dual degree of BTech and Tech, dual degree of MSc PhD, dual degree of BSMS, Master of Design, a Bachelor of Architect, Master of Business Administration MBA, Bachelor of Design, MPhil, Master of Philosophy, and Joint MSc PhD programs are the some of the other most important courses that is also offered by the various IITs. You can enter into the IITs via these courses also.